Hey guys, in this video we will go more into like behind the scenes what I do daily to send like 15,000 or 20,000 DMs. How do I reply to those DMs? What do I send in a message? How do I figure out the leads that we want to message and things like that. So I would do this anyway, but today I just record myself doing everything. So we are managing all of the accounts under HideMayak. I have shown you this in many other videos. And the main profiles folders that I'm running the outreach with are these two profiles. In this folder I have unverified accounts. In this folder I have verified accounts. And so the first thing I will just do, I will just open up a bunch of the accounts and just reply to the DMs that are in there. And then after that I will scrape new leads and then I will start campaign from all of those accounts. So let's just open all of the accounts. Some replies to all of them, I guess. Okay, mind if I have sent multiple offers in last like few days, so I will have a lot of different DMs. So in this case, we were just okay. Hi, I'm DM automation. Okay, so here basically I'm selling XReacher, our tool that we are using, the best tool for outreach. So here I'm just sending like a demo so they can see the tool. I will just grab a link for it. Okay, I have a link, so I can, what I usually say, here is the demo. If you want any additional help with the setup, we are giving away 100% free onboarding calls this month to get you sending ASAP. Let's just edit this and then we will send it to everyone. On onboarding calls, and basically right now I'm sending him the demo so he can see the tool, and then I will probably book him on a sales call, and then on a sales call I can just make him buy the tool and use the tool, or I can sell him into done for you. So we charge 1,500 to run 10 accounts for them, or 2,500 and we run 20 accounts for them. Every one of you can do the same and will be in big profit if you do it for everyone. But yeah, let's just do that. Are you free for a call today? I will tell you why I'm doing this in a second. Tomorrow. Okay, so here is the demo. If you would want any additional help with the setup, we are giving away 100% free onboarding calls this month to get you sending ASAP. Are you free for a call today or tomorrow? So right now I just sent him the demo for free that he can watch. If he watches, I will build some trust there. Maybe he books a call or not, or he will just use the tool. And then if he wants some help with the setup, I'm saying that we will give him free onboarding call, which is true. I will just jump on a call with him, and then we can either get him on a tool or we can sell him to some done for you deal where we can set up multiple accounts for him, and I will just send it to multiple people. So what is here? Wait. Nice. Here's the. I said please book a call. The video above actually look good and you look like what you are doing. I don't personally have an offer. I just wanted to have a call with someone like you. Yeah, he doesn't have an offer, so it doesn't really make sense to sell him into anything. So I won't be jumping on a call with him. Sounds interesting. Shoot it my way. Okay, I will just send it. Okay, you can just send it. Okay, send it. You can just send it to everyone. Does it have watermark on free plan? No, it doesn't have any watermark. Okay, thank you. Alright, let's go on another account. Right now you can see I'm just going through all of the accounts like this manually, but tomorrow we are pushing Unibox on XReacher, so we will see all of the replies under one big Unibox where we can reply to all of those, which will be much easier. Hey Patrick, sorry for the replying so late. Sure, you can send a quick demo. Okay, I should just usually copy paste and send everything. On some offers I have a VA, but in this case, or like setter, but in this case I just want to test out everything before I will give it to someone to do it for me. So I will just, right now I'm doing it myself manually for now. Okay, another account. Send it over. Okay. Okay, I won't reply to this. Next message. Interesting. Okay. send this, send this. And I just do this like on 30 accounts. Some of them don't have replies. I don't know. For example, from this one, okay, I have been sending from this one, but there are some of accounts that I haven't started sending DMs, but we'll start campaign in a second. I don't know what is, okay. ABR open at giving you commissions, okay, I don't want that. Okay, I can send it to this guy. Right. In this message you can see already there is a link and there is a demo link, so people can click on that. That's probably what I will do in the next campaign, so I don't have to reply to any of those DMs because I'm too lazy to do that, and it's easier just to send them within the first DM. Let's have a call. Okay, for example, this guy, I can schedule him right away for a call. So when did he say that? Okay, it was already a few days ago. I didn't check. Check this account. I have time today. Let me know if you can find the right slot. Okay, this is just, I wanted to show you the Unibox that we have. It's not out there yet for all of you, but we will push it soon. But basically, you just connect your accounts and then you can just select the accounts that you want to reply from, and then you can just reply from that. So for example, I would just pick this account, it will show all of the messages from this account and I can reply to the people that are here. But what you can also do, you can just click on all accounts. You can see I have loads of accounts, so it will take a few seconds to actually load up everything, but then you can start replying from all of those accounts. So I can just go right now through and just reply to the people that I want, okay? And you can see all of the messages. So it's way easier than just opening like a bunch of browsers. You can just reply on everything under this. Yes, I have replied to all of those DMs right now. There aren't many more unreplied DMs, I guess. Or what's this? Yeah, I guess there are not anymore. When it will be in production, you can just then sort it out by unread DMs or unreplied. But it's not out yet, it is just like for development on our site. I will probably push it within a few days on Xreacher. But right now I've just replied to all of those DMs. Let's start the campaign from all of those accounts. Let me show you how I do that. So the first thing, I scrape the leads. So I go on X and find some relevant accounts that are into outreach. So sometimes I just scroll down. Maybe this guy looks relevant. So I just look through the people's follow. Okay, this guy isn't following much people. Let's check his followers. If there is someone relevant. I'm looking for accounts that have at least like 10,000 followers or something like that. Okay, this isn't relevant. I can just scroll either through my timeline, but sometimes there aren't many people that are relevant. Okay, this guy is relevant. Let's go through his followers. Okay, 30,000. Alright, let's go. I write cold emails for a living. Okay, this is relevant account, so I can just scrape new leads. I click on add new leads, scrape new leads, and I just go without any filters. I just add the account and just exclude third world countries and then unknown accounts. So those are like accounts without proper names. So I just exclude them and then I start scrape. I just name it like this, broad, and then I start scraping, and I need also second account because I will be starting two campaigns, one through the verified account that we have, second one through the unverified accounts that we have, so I can go through his followers. Okay, Jordan, I think he also agency of agencies. Okay, I want to target agency owners as well, so I will scrape his followers. Also, the same filters, exclude unknown, start scraping, confirm, and the first lead list is almost scraped, 27,000 leads, 28,000. I think he has like 30,000 followers, so it should scrape something close to that. It's scraping way faster, the first lead list, because somebody already scraped that guy, so the leads are already pre-scraped. The second lead list will probably take maybe a few hours. Okay, this one is already scraped. So let's start the first campaign. Let's start the campaign with... Okay, I will terminate this one. Let's start a campaign with... verified? Yeah, let's start a campaign with verified accounts first. 30k leads, verified axe. This is just like how I name the campaign. I will select this lead list. We will continue. And for a message, I actually quite liked the message I sent last time because I don't need to reply to those DMs. Let me find it. Yeah, something like this. So here in this case, I'm promoting our tool. Sometimes I'm also just doing outreach to book sales calls for our agency services, which we can charge way more for, but this is just easier because we can get just many people to use the tool and make money from that, and you don't have to do that much of a delivery. But sometimes I just do the agency outreach, but this is just for people to start using XReacher. You can see I put here the affiliate link. It seems like I'm affiliated, but I'm just using these links to track where are the new customers coming from, and I also attach here a demo. So basically I'm selling what the tool is doing. It's for free for 50 DMs per day, some results. You can try it for free here, and I also attach a demo on how to use the tool. So for example, if you want to promote some tool, or if you want to promote some website or school group or any community, whatever, you can use like a similar style. I usually add two messages. I don't want to change it much. I just say keep it like this, and then I go to options, and here I just select all of the verified accounts. So I just select everything, and then I will unselect the accounts that I don't want to use. So I have put a label on the verified accounts. The label is verified XReacher, so I can, all of the other accounts, I can just unselect them. Okay, so we have here only the verified accounts. We have 14 verified accounts here right now. I'm using for other campaigns, so we will just use this one. And then for a tag, I will use demo, or demo. And right now I will run the campaign. So I can just click on run, and all of the 14 accounts, I will also add here that it's for 14x. All of the 14 accounts have started sending right now. So if I reload the page, you can see already 11 DMs sent. If I go to one of the accounts, those are unverified accounts. Let's go to the folder with verified accounts. So if I just open some of them, messages, okay, it's sending. It does fill out the first name correctly. So yeah, that's working. And right now let's just reload to see if it sent more DMs. Okay, it's sending. And for this lead list, it has 60,000 followers, so I will have to wait probably like 1 hour or something, and then I will start new campaign with those unverified accounts. And let me just show you what I will do there. I will just select the lead list. I would probably say the same message, but I would after I would just select the rest of the accounts. I will just put there like 350 DMs per day, because those accounts are unverified, and I like to send a little bit less with unverified accounts, because it's safer to send more DMs with verified accounts. So then I would just put it on 350 and run this campaign. But I will wait till the lead list scrapes. And this is what I usually do. Sometimes I send different offer out. Usually I send like some agency services. I just sell outreach infrastructures, so I just do setup for other people. So let's say I buy 10 accounts, set them up for them, and just run the campaigns for them. This is what we do. We have clients for that and getting great results with that. So those are like the two things that I usually sell right now, either just the software or we sell the done for you. Alright guys, this is everything for now, and see you in the next video soon.